you still love me? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Rather you trust me than to love me. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Just love me.
Watching this video for giving motivation and inspiration. And I love this short time. I always watching this one. Very entertaining. Hello guys. Welcome to my vlog. I miss you guys. It's been a while. It's been how many years? So anyway, I'm here now. I miss you all. Today's vlog, I'm gonna share my productive life. Today is Monday, so this is the first day of the week. It's nice weather right now. It's California weather. So I'm walking around the neighborhood. Ganda ng weather, oh. Sarap maglakad. So if you guys are watching, please share this video to your friends, your families, and yeah. I want to make sure that mag-enjoy kayo sa mga video ko. Yung mga past video ko is about travel and also different content. So to know more about me, I live in California for more years already, and I love the weather here. I used to live in East Coast in Illinois, but yeah, ando pa yung mga family ko. But sometimes I go to Philippines. Almost every year. Actually, I'm going this month. So for those people who don't know me, I'm a Filipino. I speak Tagalog. So my home country is Philippines. Some of my videos are more in English and Tagalog. Ang ganda dito sa California kasi may mga palm tree, parang mga coconut tree sa Philippines. Tapos may mga dito may orange, lemons and oranges. And also meron din yung apple tree. So yeah, nice weather here. California weather. It's always sunny, California. So I miss the Philippines. That's why I'm going back home for a vacation. And I'm home now, so it's kind of hot outside. I'm so thankful and grateful na I'm back to this vlog. Planning to create some content different. So if you guys you can leave a comment to help me. Today is Monday. I'm gonna go to work tonight. I'm working 12 hours. So yeah, I'm working in the healthcare field. So happy to serve God through music. So yeah, and this is my drums. You can see drums, my guitar. Okay, so I see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and please leave a comment below. Take care and God bless. Bye.